Hello traders, today is Sunday, August 20th, 2023. This is the weekly Elliot Wave analysis and Forex forecast. I usually do these weekly analysis on Saturdays, but I was late, so that is the reason why I'm doing it today on Sunday. These are the currency pairs at the left hand side that I am going to cover in today's analysis, in weekly analysis. First, as disclaimer, the name of the game is to make money in Forex trading. Now, in order to make money, you need to have some kind of a trading plan or a game plan. In this way, you could start making money in Forex market. Now, there are different ways that you could make money. For example, you can subscribe for my Forex trading signals, daily Forex trading signals, short term. And another way is to first learn Forex trading. And I also teach Forex trading. My website is readyforex.com. I teach day trading, and I also have other trading courses as well, such as I also teach trading with Elliot Wave. For those who are losing money in Forex market, or they need some kind of help in currency trading, they could communicate with me. They can do a live chat with me. And there are other ways as well to talk with me. For example, you can send me an email. I check all of my emails. Okay, so sometime it happens that I reply after 10 hours or after 24 hours, but I always reply all of the emails. You can also uh, send me a message from my website readyforex.com, which is available online since year 2006. You can do a chat with me via Skype Messenger. You can talk with me via Twitter. My social media um, link is right here, Twitter link. And I also have a link on Facebook. Okay. Now let's take a look at some charts and see what's going on. So let's start with the euro dollar currency pair. Euro dollar currency pair daily time frame. The trend is down in euro USD currency pair. You can see that price action is trying to fall. This was a nice bullish breakout, a triangle pattern, and over here you can see market is trying to find some support at or around the wave E termination point. That is the reason why I kept these labels. So A, B, C, D. So right over here at wave E, this is around 1.0826, and market may try to drop a little bit more, but overall I think the downside momentum is warning, and market is probably going to rise up and then drop more in coming trading days to print bearish wave A impulse leg. If you take a look at 4-hour time frame, price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend in euro dollar currency pair 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. The red color highlighted area offers a potential sell trading chance in euro dollar currency pair, and the value is 1.0924. This is also the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and this thing actually coincides. If you look at the left hand side, these were the previous swing highs. Okay, now if market is going to break above 1.0975 level in 1 hour time frame, then obviously the downtrend is going to end in euro dollar currency pair 1 hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at pound dollar currency pair, GBP USD currency pair, daily time frame. Now in daily time frame, almost the same scenario over here. Pound dollar is most likely going to move sideways. It could drop first. It's possible that this whole thing is going to turn into a triangle and market may going to drop more and then rise back up. That is why it is not a good idea to take a buy trade. The forecasting the market is different and trading the market is different. Okay, if you take a look at 4 hour time frame of GBP USD currency pair, price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend in GBP USD currency pair 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look at 1 hour. In 1 hour time frame, it seems to me market is trying to create a bullish running triangle Elliott Wave pattern. It's a bearish one, bearish running triangle. And once market is going to complete the wave E leg, which is also going to complete the higher degree wave 4, then expect further drop in price action to print bearish wave 5 impulse leg. That is also going to be the last leg, and then I expect a long-term bottom, or at least a medium-term bottom in pound dollar currency pair. Now if market is going to breaks above 1.2818 level, then obviously the downtrend is going to end and I expect further upside, like the way I showed you over here inside the daily time frame, that it could go up first and then it's going to drop. Next, let us take a look at US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. Now in US dollar yen currency pair, I was expecting a top right over here and price did fall, okay, but you see it tried to go up again. So it is possible that we have seen a top over here, and as far as the trend is concerned, it's a sideways trend now. It took out the most recent swing low right over here in 4 hour time frame. Okay, so the trend looks sideways in USD yen 1 hour. Now as far as the trading is concerned, a good idea is to look for a sell trade at or around the 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 146.20 area. Okay, and let's take a look at GBPJPY, pound, British pound versus Japanese yen. I also expect a short term, or I would say a medium term top in GBPJPY currency pair. The trend is overall up. It's an uptrend. We got this nice bullish trend channel. That's the base channel, and so far price just keep swinging up and further up, just keep moving up. If you take a look at 4 hour, it's an uptrend. Price action just keep printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. So to me, it's an uptrend in GBPJPY currency pair 4 hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour chart, I think it's a good idea to look for a pullback at or around 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 186.03. Now if market is going to breaks above 186.44 resistance level, then obviously the downtrend is going to end. Now sometimes people ask me that should we just take a sell trade right over here or not? Well, I think a good idea is to wait for the market to hit the Fibonacci retracement level, then use some kind of a trade setup. I mean, you could use a candlestick chart pattern or something like that. Do not just jump into the market just because you think price is going to hit and reverse. You need some kind of a trade setup which defines the entry, stop loss, and take profit level, and you also use ideally speaking some kind of a money management, because not all the times you are going to make money. You need to control risk. So you don't want to blow up and lose all the money on a single trade. If it's a losing trade, take the loss, get out of the market, and move on to the next trade. We do not marry the trades. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Let's take a look at USDCHF. USDCHF currency pair daily time frame, we got a nice support right over here at 0.8551 price level, and market, the way I see, I think it is probably going to rise up more than expect a pullback, but overall price is going to rise up to print bullish impulse with a lag in coming trading days. Next, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. US dollar Swiss franc 4-hour time frame, price action is printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. To me, it's an uptrend in US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. It seems to me in 1-hour chart, price action is trying to create a possible triangle pattern, and a good idea is to wait for a pullback at around 0.50% Fibonacci retracement level, then look for a buy trade. It's not a good idea to buy right at the current price level. Wait for a pullback. Okay. Next, let us take a look at Australian dollar, Aussie dollar versus United States dollar currency pair, daily time frame, and it seems to me market is going down. This is a resistance right over here in daily chart, 0.6899. That's the resistance level, and I think market is going to move sideways, drop more, then extract one more pullback, and then one more decline. So wave C leg is also going to basically subdivides into 5-wave structure, into 5-wave, smaller degree waves or sub waves, you could say. So wave A, if you take a look at the left hand side, wave A basically subdivided into 5-wave structure. So I expect almost the same, okay, at wave C, and sometimes wave A becomes equals to wave C as well, or sometimes it's the Fibonacci number that you multiply the length of wave A with 0.618 or 1.618. There are different formulas that Elliot Wave practitioners usually use to forecast the future price direction. If you take a look at Aussie dollar currency pair 4-hour time frame, price action just keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. So to me, it's a downtrend in AUDUSD currency pair 4-hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. The trend is down in 1-hour chart. Intraday resistance is present at 0.6532 price level. So as long as price action stays below 0.6532 area, we could look for sell trade. For example, we could look for a possible sell trade setup at or around 0.382% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 0.6460, but like I've said earlier, you do not just jump into the market at these levels, at these fib levels. You need to wait for the market to test these levels and then create some kind of a a candlestick pattern, reversal pattern, or a chart pattern, or use some kind of a trade setup that is well back tested and forward tested. Then jump into the market. Do not just take a trade just because you think market is going to hit the Fibonacci level and it's going to reverse. It doesn't work that way. Next, let us take a look at spot gold. Spot gold, the downtrend started in spot gold. I thought it's going to turn into some kind of a uh, flat pattern or a triangle, but price just keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows in 4 hour time frame, which I will show you the 4 hour chart in a minute. But overall you see price action is falling down, and the next support over here is 180 1808.40, or maybe around 1803.03. These are the next support levels that I see. So overall price is going to drop. A good idea is to only look for sell trades in spot gold. If you take a look at 4 hour time frame, price action is printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend in spot gold in 4 hour time frame. Next, let us take a look at 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, the trend is down. Intraday resistance is present at 1903.34 price level. Price action is most likely going to rise up to hit the 0.32% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 1898.57, and then expect further drop in price action. Okay. Next, let us take a look at Bitcoin, the last but not least. Okay, Bitcoin, and here it is, Bitcoin. In Bitcoin daily time frame, the trend is up, and I think market is probably going to create a triangle pattern, a bullish triangle, and after that I expect further upside. Okay, so that's the forecast. This does not mean that you take a buy trade over here. Okay, all it means is that wave C is most likely going to end. In order to open a buy trade, you need a trade setup, a chart pattern, or use some kind of a candlestick pattern, a well tested, uh, forward tested, and back tested pattern. Okay, so that is the reason why I keep telling you guys that trading the market is different and forecasting the market is different. For 4 hour, okay, 4 hour time frame, price actions keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. To me, it's a downtrend going on in Bitcoin. Let's take a look at 1 hour time frame. The trend is down in 1 hour chart. Intraday resistance is present at 28,296.26 price level. Price action is most likely going to rise up to print bullish wave 4 pullback at or around 0.32% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 2704, and then look for a possible sell trade setup, and market is going to drop after that to print bearish impulse wave 5 flag. Okay, that's it for the time being from my side, and if you have any questions, you can always communicate with me, you can talk with me. So from my side, have a nice weekend, and bye bye.